Replacing the sky in your photos can dramatically change the mood and tone of your image. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace sky in Classic Lightroom. So if you want to do that, open your Classic Lightroom, then start by selecting the photo you want to edit in the library model. Once you do that, make any classic adjustments to your photos in Lightroom Classic, such as exposure, contrast, then cropping. Once you do that, right click on the photos and select edit in, then edit in Adobe Photoshop. This will open the Adobe Photoshop. Then in the Photoshop, go to edit sky replacement. This will open the sky replacement workspace. Select a sky from the presets or click the plus button to add your own image sky. Use the slider to adjust the sky position, brightness, and color temperature. You can also adjust the shift edge and fade edge settings to blend the sky seamlessly within the foreground. You can also use the brush tools to refine the mask and ensure the new sky blends perfectly with the original image. Once you perfectly blend the image, save and return to Lightroom. Once you are satisfied with the sky replacement, save the image and close Photoshop. The edited photos will automatically appear back in Lightroom Classic, and this is a quick guide on how you can replace your sky in Lightroom Classic. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more.